Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. My name is Abhijit Bhatt and with me Shweta Rashmi और आज का पॉडकास्ट है काफी ज्यादा खास क्योंकि आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं दी फ्रेंड्स रियूनियन. The much awaited reunion which took only 17 years to come to fruition. मतलब सिर्फ 17 साल लगे. I don't know why. 2004 के बाद अब 2021 में हो पाया रियूनियन. मतलब 6 लोग 17 साल में, मतलब इतना टाइम कौन लगा के मिलता है यार. बट वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल दैट इट हैपेंड एज हार्डकोर फैंस ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. एंड उससे भी अच्छी बात ये है कि ये जो रियूनियन था ये काफी ज्यादा अच्छा बना है. So I'm pretty sure a lot of fans, a lot of hardcore fans must have been really skeptical कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा, कैसा बनेगा, ये वो. But I personally found it amazing. So Shweta, first impression, पहले तो मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि तुम कितने लीटर रोई हो आज इस रियूनियन को देखते हुए. पहले मुझे क्वांटिटी बताओ अपने आंसुओं की. That's what I'm really curious. So let's begin the review by that only.
I cried a lot. I'm sitting with a tissue box. I genuinely cried a lot. The moment these people enter, I was sitting with like my breakfast and everything, which I also posted on Instagram. Ki chalo, it's gonna be like a nice time. I couldn't eat because I was just choked up till here and I was only crying and sobbing. And I'm still getting emotional talking about it, but the second you see all these people enter the same set where they've been working for so many years, or wo itne saalon baad, they're revisiting it, and the coming down to the set, their apartment, everything, it's just so emotional. It just has this nostalgic feel to it, and I freaking love it.
Same sentiments. Matlab so this special is 1 hour or 1 hour 40 minutes long. और पूरे उस ड्यूरेशन में मैं बस ऐसे स्माइल के साथ बैठा हुआ था. आई डोंट थिंक दैट हैज एवर हैपेंड टू मी इन एनी शो. मतलब आई डोंट रिमेंबर स्माइलिंग लाइक अ फूल कंसिस्टेंटली. मतलब इतने लंबे जस्ट विद द ग्रिन. आप देख रहे हैं पूरा एपिसोड. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट हैपेंड एंड सो मेनी इमोशंस, सो मेनी मेमोरीज, सो मेनी लाइक आई डोंट नो, लाइक सो मच एक्साइटमेंट, सब कुछ एक साथ. एंड दिस it was just like a childhood that was, they're getting replayed in front of my eyes all over again. But also I really felt that even after 1 hour 40 minutes, I really felt that this could have been longer. Like at least 2 घंटे का तो हो सकता था यार. What do you think?
Yeah, I think, this is one show which will always just keep you asking for more. कि यार थोड़ा और कुछ और भी. But I think the Friends reunion is a big thing. People have been waiting for it since forever. I personally feel that each and every aspect of it was covered really well, honestly. The fact that they visited the set, there was like a lot of nostalgia to it. Also, how they were recalling things like the first day on set. So just recalling their favorite episodes. There were so many things out there. I think it was just made really well and it just covered all the bases pretty well. Also the guests, that made me really emotional. All these characters, the side characters that you see, be it Richard who dated Monica, be it Janice, all of these people coming, and you also see a glimpse of them in the trailer, so it's not really a spoiler. When they come, I just went from like to that was literally how my face changed. And I think one thing that made me really emotional was seeing how these people have aged. And then there are like chunks and pieces of the episode and these guys, coming together and talking about it or just doing it or watching it. It's, seeing Matthew Perry for that matter, that made me
exactly
emotional because he looks like he's really aged a lot, and that just made me very emotional.
Like even with that's what I was about to say. I wasn't ready to see Chandler this old. You know what I'm saying? Like even though Chandler was this guy जो कि मतलब constantly हंसी मजाक and all that, but in the reunion Matthew Perry just looked very somber and very serious, and he spoke very less, and he none of those wisecracks and none of those quirks जो वो show में करता था. पर but it was emotional nonetheless, and my God, and I really like the structure, जिस structure से reunion बना है. So it's a very non-linear structure. Like there are there's a mixture of show ke bits, and then there's a mixture of the interviews, then there's a mixture of interviews with the show ke creators, then there are celebrity tidbits in between. Matlab, it was such an emotional joy ride. Don't you agree, Shweta? Like it was like revisiting your childhood all over again.
It is. So बहुत ही कम shows के साथ ऐसा होता है कि you really love it till the very last episode, then you get emotional. I think Friends is hands down one of those shows. Another thing I really liked about the reunion was how these people were like watching bloopers and reacting to it. It was hilarious. It was like, because they were talking about what happened and how things happened and all of that. And I don't want to give out anything out there, but it was just really, really cool. Also, another thing which I really liked was when they were sitting across the table and they were doing the readings for a couple of episodes. Just a couple of episodes. And it's just, it was so amazing to see like how it was cut to cut being shown also with the episode, and how they're doing it now. Like Phoebe when she sees Chandler and Monica, and when she finds out about them, how she's screaming, oh my eyes, and like how she's doing it now versus how she did it in the episode. They're showing it, and that's when you realize there's so much of, again, I would say, nostalgia to it, and there's just emotional. I cannot. I might just cry only. It's so.
But talking about the reading, I was very surprised that they still got it, like the tone and all. Just tone mein wo pad rahe the, even 17 years later, it's the same tone, the same expression, the same mannerisms, and I was like, wow, they still got it even after 17 years. That is phenomenal. And it just shows their talent as, it just shows their craft as actors, ki how good they were. Matlab, Friends, with any other character, it is just impossible to imagine Friends. I mean, Ross, Rachel, Monica, Joey, Chandler, Phoebe. I mean, apart from these actors, I can't even think of any other actors who could have played these characters. Yeah. So thank God the
casting has been done so well, and they did talk about the struggles that they had to face to find these actors and to get them on board, because ya to ye log acting nahi kar rahe the, ya to ye log on different shows. There was so much to it, and just the fact that everything just came in together and they gave us this show which we will cherish for the rest of our lives. One more thing which I did not know was that they actually had the live audience while filming for the episodes.
That I knew pehle se. But for the first time I saw it, like मुझे पता था कि live audience सामने shoot हो रहा है. But the best part about this reunion episode is कि it really takes you backstage, और ये really आपको बताता है कि कितना effort गया है, ताकि ये show 10 साल तक चलता रहे और अच्छा चलता रहे. So in this reunion, for the first time you find out कि okay, they show you the backstage audiences, they show कि मतलब how hard the creators worked, for the in terms of scripting, and how important. And another thing that I really liked about this reunion was, and rather this show, जो कि हमें इस reunion के through पता चला, the one thing कि the creators really took their audience seriously. Like I remember this one segment where the creator in the reunion says that no matter how good the joke was, if the audience didn't laugh at it, we used to remove it. I mean, that's how much respect they paid to the audience, and that is why the audience reciprocated the respect and the love. So yeah, it was really mind-blowing to see the audience at work, really amazing to see the audience backstage, and really amazing to realize that the apartment and Central Perk were just one long set. I mean, I was like, okay, so they must be going to some. That was like, like, what? This is just one set.
I think one of the guests who stars on the show put it very nicely, which I've written down, is that these 6 actors are masters of physical comedy.
Yes.
The show play out so beautifully. I mean, just the little muscles that they have. It's just, it might be just like what they do with their eyes or like their eyebrows, and it just makes it so funny for the audience, because when they're watching, they just connect with it immediately and they just resonate with it. I think he just described it pretty well, that they unapologetically were the masters of physical comedy, hands down. And
absolutely.
Wonder, I mean, even after so many years, it is like that.
Yes. And I genuinely believe that even after 20 more years, this show will still be relevant. This show will still be funny. because the casting was like on point, the acting was on point, the storyline was on point. It's such a nice bundle of, you know, joy and happiness and emotions. It's full of emotions. Like this entire show, this reunion episode makes you wanna go back and watch the entire series. And so that was like our take on the reunion episode, and we would really request you, we normally never do that in our reviews, but we would really request you to watch this reunion special. It's on Z5 and seriously just watch it, man, because होगा क्या ना कि शाम तक Instagram पे आपको ऐसे भी एपिसोड मतलब दिख ही जाएगा through stories and through posts, because I'm pretty sure कि सब लोग देख के भी लंच वंच करके सब पोस्ट बनाने बैठ गए होंगे फ्रेंड्स के, तो इससे अच्छा है कि आप पहले ही देख लीजिए, because you won't regret it. It's amazing. So that was our review of the Friends reunion. Do let us know in the comment section if this, like us, also took you down the memory lane, and did it also make you emotional like Shweta did? क्या कोई है जो श्वेता के आंसुओं को टक्कर दे सके? कोई है जो इतना ही रोया हो ये एपिसोड देखने के बाद?
I just have one thing to say. Please, 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 please sit with the tissue box. You will definitely need it.
Yeah, it is very emotional. Yes, Shweta's right. So do let us know. Yes, that's the tissue box. So do let us know in the comment section what was your take on the Friends reunion episode, and we shall be back soon with yet another podcast. Till then, stay safe, take care, and stay in touch with your friends. See, bye bye.